We have seen how easy it is for teachers to use. Now let's see how easy it is for the students and the parents to use the app. The first step for the student is to sign in using the email and password used to join the class. After signing in, the student will come to the home page. The most important tab for the student is the Assigned tab at the bottom in the center. This lists all the books that have been assigned to this student and also to the whole class by the teacher. The student can tap on any book and start reading it. Once the student has completed reading a book, a stamp, "I've read it," will appear on the book cover so that the parent and child can keep a tab on what has already been read and what remains to be read. A detailed report of all activity will also be sent to your teacher automatically. The child will continue to earn smart coins for all activity. There are other book recommendations and activity that the student can choose to do at the end of each book. Here's how the "I've read it" stamp will appear on your book that you have already read once. The first tab at the bottom of the screen is the Home tab, and you can come back to this anytime by clicking on this tab. The Home screen is where you can see and browse the selection of books, lists, and categories. New books, books by age, reading level, grade level, type, and so on. For example, to read a book in the Amazing Earth category, simply tap on the category icon to browse all the books in that category. Let's say I choose Sinkholes. Tapping on the View and Add button will view the book and also download and add the book to my list. Once downloaded, I can read the book without Wi-Fi or internet. My profile icon at the bottom right is where the student can check their status, leaderboard position in the class, badges, reports, how to earn smart coins, their own wall of fame, and smart bank. The leaderboard icon shows how this student is doing vis-a-vis the class. This challenges the child to move their name up to the top positions. The student can view the wall of fame of any of the profiles by simply tapping on their name and position. Parents can also share their child's achievements on the leaderboard with friends and family to motivate and encourage your child. The Badges icon will list the badges the student has earned or can earn. As the student reads the books and earns badges, these badges keep getting unlocked. Badges earned can be shared with friends and family to encourage and motivate the child to read more. The Reports icon on the profile page gives the detailed reports with the time spent, types of books, reading levels, and top categories of books read by the child. The Earn Smart Coins icon on the profile page shows how to earn smart coins. The Wall of Fame page is a snapshot of the child's achievements where all the badges, rewards, smart coins earned are displayed. The student can also tap on the rewards to set them as their profile image and share with friends. The Wall of Fame page as a whole with all the achievements can be shared with friends and family to encourage and motivate kids. With Shop button on this page, the students can go shopping for more rewards with their balance. For each reward that they pick to shop, they will be shown the balance available and the price of the reward. If the price of the reward is less than the balance, the child will be able to buy the reward. Otherwise, they will be prompted to earn more smart coins by reading more. The Smart Bank icon on the profile page shows how many smart coins have been earned, how much has been spent, and how much balance is available to shop for rewards. A great way to teach kids financial responsibility. The students can shop for rewards from here as well and earn more smart coins, which will take them back to their My List screen. The students are free to add and read any book from the library apart from the ones that the teacher has recommended to them. This library grows every week with new books added every week that are listed right at the top of the home screen. Don't forget to rate the app, and happy reading and learning with the students.